Zorin OS 19 arrives as one of the most polished and thoughtfully designed Linux desktop experiences to date. And from the very first boot, it is clear that this release is not just a routine update, but a carefully crafted statement about where desktop Linux is heading. The moment the system loads, you are greeted with a refined visual identity that feels modern, elegant, and approachable, especially for users coming from Windows or macOS. The Zorin team has always focused on usability and aesthetics, and Zorin OS 19 takes that philosophy several steps further, combining a beautiful interface with meaningful under-the-hood improvements that make everyday computing smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. The installation process sets the tone for the entire experience. It is simple, clean, and beginner-friendly, guiding the user through each step without overwhelming them with technical jargon. Hardware detection works reliably out of the box, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, graphics, and touchpads on most modern laptops. For users who are new to Linux, this alone removes one of the biggest traditional pain points. The installer is fast, and once the installation is complete, the system boots quickly into a desktop that feels instantly familiar, yet refreshingly new. The desktop environment in Zorin OS 19 is based on GNOME, but heavily customized to deliver a more traditional and flexible workflow. What stands out immediately is how smooth and cohesive everything feels. Animations are fluid, transitions are subtle, and nothing feels out of place. The default layout resembles a modern Windows-style interface with a taskbar system tray and application menu, making it extremely comfortable for users migrating from Windows 10 or Windows 11. At the same time, users who prefer a macOS-like dock or a clean GNOME-style workflow can switch layouts in seconds using Zorin Appearance, without installing additional software or tweaking obscure settings. Zorin's Appearance remains one of the strongest features of the distribution. It allows users to completely change the look and feel of the desktop with just a few clicks. You can choose different panel layouts, adjust panel positioning, change icon sizes, and switch between light and dark modes effortlessly. In Zorin OS 19, these customization options feel more refined and responsive than ever before. The system responds instantly to layout changes, and the visual consistency is maintained across applications, menus, and system dialogues. This level of polish is something many Linux distributions struggle to achieve, but Zorin OS manages it remarkably well. The visual design deserves special attention because it plays a major role in why Zorin OS 19 feels so appealing. The theme is modern and clean, with soft shadows, rounded corners, and carefully chosen colors that avoid being either too flashy or too dull. Icons are crisp and detailed, contributing to a premium look that rivals commercial operating systems. Even small details, such as window controls, notifications, and system pop-ups, feel thoughtfully designed. The overall effect is a desktop that looks professional and inviting, whether you are using it for work, study, or casual browsing. Performance is another area where Zorin OS 19 shines. Despite its rich visuals and animations, the system remains responsive even on modest hardware. Applications launch quickly, multitasking feels smooth, and system resources are managed efficiently. This makes Zorin OS 19 a great choice, not only for powerful modern machines, but also for older PCs and laptops that may struggle with heavier operating systems. The developers have clearly paid attention to optimization, ensuring that visual beauty does not come at the cost of usability. Under the hood, Zorin OS 19 is built on a stable and reliable base, providing users with long-term support and security updates. This is particularly important for users who want a system they can install and rely on for years, without worrying about constant breakage or disruptive changes. Software updates are handled seamlessly through a user-friendly update manager, and the system keeps itself secure without nagging the user or interrupting their workflow unnecessarily. One of the most impressive aspects of Zorin OS 19 is how well it handles software availability. The built-in software store is clean, fast, and easy to navigate, offering a wide selection of applications for everyday tasks. From web browsers and office suites to media players and creative tools, most users will find everything they need just a click away. Flatpak support expands this selection even further, allowing access to the latest versions of popular applications without compromising system stability. This balance between up-to-date software and a stable base is something Zorin OS handles extremely well. For users transitioning from Windows, Zorin OS 19 offers excellent compatibility with Windows applications through built-in support for Wine and reintegration with tools that make running certain Windows programs surprisingly straightforward. While not every Windows application will work perfectly, many popular programs and games run well enough to make the transition far less intimidating. This is a major advantage for users who rely on specific software and are hesitant to switch to Linux entirely. Gaming on Zorin OS 19 is also better than ever. With support for modern graphics drivers, Steam, and Proton, many Windows games run smoothly on this platform. The system does not get in the way of gaming, and performance is generally comparable to other mainstream Linux distributions. For casual and even moderately serious gamers, Zorin OS 19 offers a surprisingly capable gaming environment, especially considering how user-friendly and polished it is. Productivity is another area where Zorin OS 19 excels. The default set of applications covers all the essentials, including a full Office suite, email client, calendar, and media tools. Everything is pre-configured to work well together, reducing the amount of setup required after installation. Keyboard shortcuts are intuitive, multitasking features are easy to use, and window management feels natural. Whether you are writing documents, managing spreadsheets, editing photos, or attending video calls, the system feels reliable and efficient. Security and privacy are treated with seriousness in Zorin OS 19. Unlike some mainstream operating systems that collect user data or push online accounts aggressively, Zorin OS respects user privacy by default. There is no forced sign-in, no hidden telemetry, and no unnecessary background services sending data to third parties. Updates are transparent, and users remain in full control of their system. This makes Zorin OS 19 particularly appealing to users who value digital privacy and autonomy. Accessibility has also seen noticeable improvements. The system includes built-in accessibility features that make it usable for a wider range of people, including those with visual or motor impairments. Font scaling, high-contrast themes, and keyboard navigation are easy to configure, and the overall interface remains consistent and readable, even when adjusted. These details may not be immediately obvious, but they make a significant difference for users who rely on them daily. Another strength of Zorin OS 19 is its attention to newcomers. The system includes helpful onboarding elements that gently introduce users to the desktop and its features. Instead of overwhelming tutorials, it offers simple explanations and tips that help users feel confident and in control. This approach is particularly effective for people who have never used Linux before and may be nervous about making the switch. Stability is one of the defining characteristics of this release. During extended use, the system remains reliable, with no random crashes or major bugs disrupting the experience. Updates install smoothly, applications behave as expected, and the desktop remains responsive, even after long uptime. This reliability is crucial for users who depend on their computer for work or study and cannot afford constant troubleshooting. Customization enthusiasts will also appreciate how flexible Zorin OS 19 is without being complicated. While it works beautifully out of the box, users who enjoy tweaking their system can dive deeper into settings, extensions, and themes to personalize their experience further. The difference is that Zorin OS does not require this customization to be usable or enjoyable. It strikes a rare balance between simplicity and flexibility, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Compared to other popular Linux distributions, Zorin OS 19 stands out for its focus on user experience. While some distributions prioritize cutting-edge features or minimalism, Zorin OS prioritizes coherence, design, and ease of use. It feels like a complete product rather than a collection of components. This makes it especially attractive to users who want Linux to just work without sacrificing visual appeal or performance. For students, professionals, and home users alike, Zorin OS 19 offers a compelling alternative to proprietary operating systems. It provides a modern desktop environment, strong performance, excellent software availability, and a respectful approach to privacy, all wrapped in a visually stunning package. It proves that Linux can be both powerful and beautiful, functional and friendly. As you spend more time with Zorin OS 19, its strengths become even more apparent. Small design choices, smooth animations, consistent behavior, and thoughtful defaults all add up to an experience that feels refined and enjoyable. It is the kind of operating system that fades into the background and lets you focus on what you want to do, rather than forcing you to fight with settings or system quirks. In conclusion, Zorin OS 19 is not just another Linux distribution update. It is a confident demonstration of how far desktop Linux has come. It delivers a stunning visual experience, excellent performance, strong stability, and an unmatched level of user-friendliness. Whether you are a longtime Linux user looking for a polished daily driver, or a Windows or macOS user curious about making the switch, Zorin OS 19 is absolutely worth trying. It represents the future of Linux on the desktop in a way that feels accessible, powerful, and genuinely exciting, making it one of the most impressive Linux releases in recent years.